Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply unblock someone on Snapchat. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. So for that, access your Snapchat app on your mobile phone first. Now go ahead, tap on this chat icon beside the camera icon. Now let's first block a person. Simply go ahead, press and hold on that person's profile and tap on this manage friendship. Tap on block again. Now that person is blocked. Afterwards, simply tap on the Bitmoji icon on top left. Tap on gear icon on top right. Now scroll till you find this option of blocked users. You can see now we have that user right over here. Tap on this little X icon beside and now tap on this yes. This is a simple confirmation for the unblocking process. Yes. And now that person is unblocked. Go back, search, type in the username of theirs, how you have been saving, and you can see that person is now, you simply have to re-add, and now that person is not blocked. That is how you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.